Use the substitution method. Solve the following pairs of simultaneous equation. Thrice x plus 5y equal to 10 and x minus 2y equal to 7. So at first, thrice x plus 5y equal to 10 and x minus 2y equal to 7. So let this one is equation number 1. This one is equation number 2. So we can say from equation number 2, we can write x equal to 7 plus 2. Now we will substitute the value of x in equation number 1. Then what will happen? So substitute x equal to 7 plus 2y in equation 1. Then what will happen? So we can say that will be 3. After x, so x will be 7 plus 2y, okay, plus 5y equal to 10. That means we will convert the value of x in y. So instead of x, I will put this value, okay? And we can say this is equation number 3. Now, 3 7 ja 21 plus 3 2 ja 6y plus 5y equal to 10. Now we can say 6y plus 5y is 11y equal to 10 minus 21. Then y will be negative 11 by 11. The value of y will be negative 1. Now we will find out the value of x by substituting the value of y. So substitute right now, substitute y equal to minus 1 in 3. Then what will we get? We will get x equal to 7 plus 2y. So instead of y, we will put negative 1. Okay. So 7 plus minus 2. So 7 minus 2, 5. So that we can say the required solution is x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 1. Now you can check that your answer is right or wrong. Suppose from equation number 2, here equation number 2 says it is x minus 2y equal to 7. So instead of x and y, if we put the value, then what will happen? Instead of x, 5. Instead of y, negative 1. So 2 into negative 1. So you can say 5 minus a pass 2. 5 plus 2, 7. Look, both answers are same.